3, 2, 1.
Today is get it out of the field day. If anyone is in the central Pennsylvania area and has a bunch of old barnwood, they would like to donate to my garage because I only have enough for half right now. I would love to take it. I'm not looking for 2x4s or 2x6 or anything like that. It's you know, usually less than 1 inch thick. I popped this seal off, so basically your bearing rides on this race in here, and then this seal, it's just a little dust seal, but it's actually got like a piece of foam in there that's crimped in. I thought that was just kind of bent tabs, but I think they squeeze that in there and then crimp it together. So those came out smooth enough that I'm gonna reuse them. They're not insane. They're dust seals for the back. I'm gonna clean up these bearings. Also, when I'm at Hershey, I'm gonna see if I can find a backup pair, just in case. Now I gotta find a shop that can turn these down, because the shop I usually go to, I guess they don't. So, all right, well, here's all my bearing stuff. You know, inside bearing, outside bearing. Here's your little race. I wanted to show you what this other water separator looks like. The one looked all nice and clean, and this one looks like death. I'm gonna clean it up. Obviously a lot of rust in there. Inside of here is gross too. It's just sludge down there.